Hey guys, Joe here, 690ADV, 690ADV.com. Here's your tip in 2 minutes or less. Here is something that you should always have in your pack, in your tank bag, or in your river bag, or even a military case like this, like I have on the back, whatever you have, carrying your stuff. If you don't have one, I bet your buddy does. Seems kinda, it doesn't make much sense. Tire gauges. Tire gauges are a fantastic thing to have. You're always airing your tires up and airing your tires down when you're going off-road. And if you don't have a tire gauge, you're guessing. If you don't have one, guess what? Then guess. But if you carry one, you don't have the guess. Get the proper tire inflation and deflation, and you can get those tires to either grip or not grip. And I'm telling you, it's always better to be right. Get yourself a nice tire gauge. This one's cheap. It works fantastic. Down in the description, you can pick one up if you'd like, but it's good to have those. It'll make your tires last longer, and you will be saving yourself some money in the long run. So pick yourself up a tire gauge. That's your tip in 2 minutes or less. You guys have a fantastic day.